Hello viewers, welcome to my class. Okay, let us continue that our parabola topic. So from the last class we discussed that the standard form of the parabola, okay, and the different terms from the conic sections. Okay, in this class I am going to discussing about the different forms of the parabola. So what are the different forms of the parabola? Let us see. Yes. So first of all, which is in standard form? What is the equation of the parabola which is in standard form? Y square is equals to 4ax. Okay, yes, let us see different forms of the parabola. The standard form, okay, yes. So let us take it is the directrix. Okay, it is the directrix which is in standard form. Yes, once again reminding that one, the standard form of the parabola is y square is equals to 4ax. So it is a right-handed parabola. Right-handed parabola generally. Why? Because it is a right-sided open. Right-handed parabola. Its equation is y square is equals to 4ax. Okay. From those, I am going to find in this one all those. So vertex A is 0, 0, and the focus is A0. Okay. Yes, it is the Z dash is the directrix, and SM or SN any perpendicular line which is perpendicular to the directrix. And this is called the axis, particularly which is the x-axis, axis of the parabola. Right or not? Okay. Yes, let us see. So from the standard form, what I am going to discussing the terms are: what is the equation of the parabola which is in standard form? Y square is equals to 4ax. So here clearly I am writing all the terms from this. So the equation of the parabola. Equation of the parabola. So which is y square equals to 4ax. Right? Yes. From this, what is the vertex? Vertex A is 0, 0. So what is the focus? Focus S is A0. Right? Focus A0. Okay. Yes, Aman. Come on. What is the equation of the directrix? What is the equation of the directrix? This is the equation of the directrix. Okay, right? So which is parallel to, okay, here what is it? It is the y-axis. Right? It is the y-axis. Okay, and this length is small a, and this length is a, and this point is minus a comma 0. So this is equation of the directrix which is parallel to the y-axis. Okay, that means which is x is equals to constant. X coordinate is constant, which is x is equals to minus a, or simply I can write x plus a equals to 0. Okay, right? Yeah. So that is the equation of the directrix. Then what is the length of the lattice rectum? So already we discussed that. What is the definition of a lattice rectum? First of all, lattice rectum, it is a chord, okay, particularly which is called a double ordinate. Double ordinate means any line which is joining the any 2 points on the parabola and which is perpendicular to the axis of the parabola. That is called double ordinate. If this double ordinate is passing through the focus, okay, this is called lattice rectum, which is we can denote by L dash. Lattice rectum which should be perpendicular. Okay, right? Yeah, from the last video already we discussed that one. So this length will be 2a and this length will be 2a. Totally length of lattice rectum will be 4a. So from the parabola y square is equals to 4ax. This 4a is called, that 4a is called length of the lattice rectum. Okay, right? Here I am writing. Okay. So the equation of the directrix and length of lattice rectum is 4a. And what is the axis of the parabola? What is the axis of the parabola? Axis means any line which is passing through the focus and which is perpendicular to the directrix. That is called axis of the parabola. So in this case means which is in standard form. So what is the axis of the parabola? Is the x is equals to 0. Okay, x-axis which is y equals to 0. I mean I can say x-axis. Right, equation of the parabola is the x-axis. Okay, so these are the terms from the standard form of the parabola. Okay, and we will discuss about the different forms of the parabola. For all those different forms, what is the equation, what is the vertex of focus, equation of the directrix, what is the length of lattice rectum, like this. Okay, right? Yes. So come on, let us see. This is about the standard form of the parabola. Okay, yes. Yeah, let us see. The second form of the parabola is if it is opened this side, left side, which is the left-handed parabola. Left-handed parabola. First one is the standard form is the right-handed parabola. So it is opened right side. Now it is opened left side, left-handed parabola. For this left-handed parabola, what is the equation? Vertex, focus, all this we are going to find. Okay. For left-handed parabola, it is passing through that vertex where it intersects the axis of the parabola, which is 0, 0. Right or that? Okay. So here I can write vertex is and again as usual is 0, 0. Okay. Then and what is the equation of the parabola? It is exactly when the axes are rotated exactly 180 degrees. 180 degrees, am I right or not? 180 degrees. So in that case, you are going to get the thing is the y square is equals to minus 4ax. What is this? Equation is the y square is equals to minus 4a. Standard form is y square is equals to 4ax. Y square is equals to minus 4ax. In that case, yes, let us see in this case. So just change this one. This value in the standard form, this m value becomes here is the focus. This will be the focus, and then it will be the m. Right or not? So what is the focus here? Minus a comma 0. Focus is minus a comma 0. Right or not? Then what is the equation of the directrix? This will be the directrix. Okay? Yes. This will be the directrix. Anyway, it is always parallel to that x-axis. I'm sorry, y-axis. In that case, what is the x-coordinate is? A. Parallel to the y-axis, x-coordinate is constant. So it is x is equals to a. Equation of the directrix is x is equals to a or x minus a equals to 0. And of course, always its length of lattice rectum is 2a only. Okay, sorry. This is 2a and this is 2a. Totally length of lattice rectum is 4a. Same like this, we can prove that what we proved from the standard form. Same like this, I can prove this now. Okay, why? Because its length is a. Okay, its length is a. And it will get 2a and 2a. Totally length of lattice rectum is 4a. Then what is the axis of the parabola? Axis of the parabola. So which is x-axis. Okay. So please find the difference between the standard form, right-handed parabola to left-handed parabola. In this case, what is the equation? What is the equation? Y square is equals to minus 4ax. And whatever the vertex focus, please observe this one. Okay, please focus on the diagram. Then you will get each and everything. Okay, please focus on the diagram. Okay, yes, so this is about the second form, which is, what is that? So left-handed parabola. Okay, right? Yes, come on, make a note. Yeah, so next thing is so from the standard form of the parabola, which is a right-handed parabola, when it is axes are rotated 90 degrees, when the axes are rotated 90 degrees, we can get upward parabola. Right or not? When the axes are rotated 90 degrees, we can get upward parabola. Right or not? Okay. So for this upward parabola, what is the equation of the parabola? Vertex, focus, equation of the directrix like this. Okay. Yes, when the axes are rotated, upward parabola, what is the equation of the parabola? Here you can get x square is equals to 4ay. Right or not? So from the transformation of axis, we can get y square is equals to 4ax. So it can be transformed into x square is equals to 4ay. Axes are rotated 90 degrees. Okay, in that case, equation of the parabola. So it is a x square is equals to 4ay. In that case, what is the vertex is? Vertex. So a is 0, 0. This will be the vertex. Okay, x-axis and y-axis. So it will be like this. So vertex is the 0, 0. And what is the focus? Focus will be here. Okay, focus is 0, which is on y-axis. Focus will be on y-axis. Why? Because its length is always a small a. Okay, right? Yes, p is equals to pm. I mean, p is any point on that location parabola. A is the vertex. So SA is equals to am. So its length is always a. So this is positive side a and the negative side minus a. So the point focus is 0, a. Yes, focus is 0 a. So what is the equation of the directrix? This will be the equation of the directrix, which is parallel to the x-axis. Any line parallel to the x-axis is y is equals to constant. So here what is the y coordinate is minus a. So okay, equation of the directrix is y is equals to minus a or y plus a equals to 0. And what is the axis of the parabola? Please observe this one. Axis means which is always passing through the focus, okay, and perpendicular to the directrix. In this case, can you say what is the axis of this parabola is the y-axis. Okay, axis of the parabola is the y-axis. Simply you can write x is equals to 0. And of course, what is the length of lattice rectum? This will be the lattice rectum. Lattice rectum means what is the definition of lattice rectum? So the double ordinate means line joining of any 2 points on the parabola which is perpendicular to the axis, and it should be passing through the focus, which is called the lattice rectum. What is the length of lattice rectum? In this case also we are going to get this length is 4a. Okay, so in the standard form or in this form, x square is equal to 4a by what do you say? That 4a will be that the length of lattice rectum. Okay, also how we can prove that from the standard form? Same like this, we can prove this one. Okay, so by substituting that value of y, you will get that x value. Okay, anyway, this is what we say, this is the y value, right? And y value is a. So x square is equals to 4a square. So x is equals to 2a. That this length is 2a and this length is 2a. Total its length is 4a. Like this. Yes. And one more form. This is about this. Okay, this is called upward parabola. Upward side open. And this is the downward side open. Okay. Left side parabola is a left side parabola. When it is rotated and again 90 degrees, it becomes like this. Okay, so please focus just to find out the difference between these two. This is x square is equals to 4ay, and this equation is downwards. X square is equals to minus 4ay. Yes, please observe this. X square is equals to minus 4ay. In that case, what is the vertex? Vertex is 0, 0. So can you say the focus? Focus will be here. Okay, so here the point M will become the focus and S becomes that the line which is passing through the directrix. Okay, right? Okay, yeah. So focus is 0, minus a. This will be the focus, and M will be 0, a. What is the equation of the directrix? Equation of the directrix, which is parallel to x-axis. Y is equals to constant. Here, what is the y coordinate is a, which is y is equals to a, and in this case y is equals to minus a. And what is the axis of the parabola? So which is passing through focus perpendicular to the directrix, which is always which is y-axis. In this case, y-axis. And of course, length of lattice rectum. This will be the lattice rectum. Okay, L dash. So which is 4a. So this is about the different forms of the parabola. So standard form, that is a right-handed side open, left-handed side open, upward parabola and downward parabola. Okay, these four are all the four forms of the parabola whose vertex is 0, 0, which are passing through origin. Am I right? I mean, which intersect the axis of which intersect that the directrix at 0, 0. Am I right? So for all these four, suppose the next thing what we are going to the next thing is if the vertex is not 0, 0. I mean, if the origin is shifted to some other point h, k. If the origin is shifted to the point some h, k, in that cases, what are the equations of the parabola? Understood my point? Okay, yes, let us see what those are. Okay, so the next thing is let us see here, it is very clear. Origin is shifted to the point h, k. If the origin is shifted to the point h, k, in that situations, so what are the different forms of the parabola? What are the equations of the parabola? In that particular cases, what is the focus, the equation of the directrix? So like this, we are going to find all those things. Yes, let us see. We will get that. Already we discussed this one. The four forms of the parabola whose vertex is 0, 0, origin. Now here, this origin is shifted to the point h, k. Whatever the four forms, we are going to get that another four forms. What are those? Let us see. Okay, this right-handed side parabola. This right-handed side parabola, it becomes, what is the equation of that one? So I can write y minus k whole square is equals to 4a into x minus h. Right or not? Okay, origin is shifted, 0, 0 shifted to the point h, k. That actually right-handed side parabola is y square is equals to 4ax. Now origin is shifted to h, k by the transformation of axis. What is the equation is? Y minus k whole square is equals to 4a into x minus h. In that case, what is the focus? Anyway, what is this distance is always a. This distance is always a. So when it's moved to right side, the x coordinate is increased by a, which is h plus a. So for right handed side, it is h plus a. Okay then. So I can write the focus S is h plus a comma k. And what is the vertex? Come on, can you say what is the vertex? So which is, so a equals to h comma k. So what is the equation of the directrix? This will be the focus. That means here we will get the directrix. Okay, right? Directrix. So which is passing through that the point h minus a comma k. Okay, right? Yeah. Okay. Anyway, and this will be that a line which is the directrix, which is parallel to. Okay, which is parallel to y-axis. Anyway, line parallel to y-axis. X coordinate is constant. So x is equals to h minus a. Okay, right? So here x is equals to h minus a. So of course, anyway, the length of lattice rectum, this will be that. This will be always 4a. Okay, I discussed that about the right-handed side parabola when origin is shifted to the point h comma k. Okay, then what becomes left-hand side parabola? For left-hand side parabola, this will be the focus, and here you will get the directrix. Am I right? And the length of lattice rectum will be the same. Okay, same equations we are going to get, but let us see. So combinedly I am writing the both the equations. Combinedly I am writing the both the equations. So y minus k whole square is equals to minus 4a. Okay, here you will get plus or minus 4a. Am I right or not? Plus or minus. This is a plus 4a and this will be minus 4a. Okay, what is the focus? H plus or minus a comma k. I think you will get my point. Where we are going to get the positive and where we are going to get the negative. When it is right side parabola, right handed side parabola, h plus a. Left hand side parabola, h minus a comma k. Vertex is always h comma k. Equation of the directrix is h plus or minus a comma k. Right or not? So for the right hand side it is h minus a, for left hand side it is h minus a. Length of lattice rectum is 4a. Okay? Yes, same like this. Same like this. Upward parabola. Upward parabola. Actually, what is the upward parabola? X square is equals to 4ay. Now it becomes when the origin is shifted to the point h comma k. Right hand? Is it clear? When the origin is shifted to the point h comma k, and this equation becomes, okay? So I can write combinedly. This equation becomes actually x minus h whole square is equals to plus or minus 4a into y minus k. So upward parabola plus 4a, downward parabola minus 4a. Okay, right? Yes. In that case, what is the focus? Please observe this one. Where you get the focus, which is, okay, so which is a vertical line. So here this is increased. Y value is increased by a. Y value is decreased by a. So that's why k is increased by a. This k plus a. Okay, right? So the focus will be that h comma k plus or minus a. Upward parabola k plus a, downward parabola k minus a. Yes, and what is the vertex is? Vertex is h comma k. Yes, vertex is h comma k. Yes, and what is the equation of the directrix? So here you will get the directrix. Come on, here you will get the directrix. So this is means which is passing, which is perpendicular to the axis of this one, right? Perpendicular to the axis. So and parallel to the x-axis, y coordinate is constant. Y coordinate, y equals to k minus a and y is equals to k plus a. So here can I write y is equals to k minus plus a. Minus or plus equals to a. Okay, upward parabola k minus a, downward parabola k plus a. So what is the length of lattice rectum is always 4a. Okay, and in both the cases I am going to write one thing. What is the axis of the parabola? What is the axis of the parabola? In this case, axis means which is passing through the focus. Which is passing through the focus. Yes, this will be the axis. Can you say this one? Which is parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis means y is equals to constant. Y coordinate is constant. This in this case y is equals to k for both the parabolas. And in this case, what can you get? In this case, it is this will be the axis. Parallel to y-axis, x coordinate is constant. That means you can write x is equals to h. Okay, students. So that is about that different forms of the parabola. Total we are going to get that 8 forms. When the parabola is whose vertex is origin, we will get the 4 forms. and when origin is shifted to the point h comma k, we get the more other 4 forms. So this will be very important. Please focus on the diagrams. Please focus on the diagram. You can write each and everything what they ask this. Okay. So yes, so from the next video we are going to discussing about that some problems. Okay. Based on this condition, they may give that equation of the parabola, but we don't know which is that parabola is in any of these forms. For all those, we are going to write what is the equation of the parabola, what is the focus, vertex, directrix, length of lattice rectum, axis of the parabola. Okay, right? Yes, based on these conditions only. Based on these conditions. So be ready for the next video. Until then, bye bye.